What's up, traders? My name is Red, and this is the Red Day Trading Channel, where we see red days as opportunities to grow as traders. I've been a TopStep funded trader since 2024, and I've been steadily growing my account with a win rate of 25%. That means when it comes to losses, I face them multiple times a day, and I felt all the emotions that come with trading. If there's a name for it, I felt it. I create these daily trading recaps as a way to journal my trades, reviewing what went well, where I can improve mentally, and the lessons I've learned along the way. My goal with these videos is to show that I experience the same emotional ups and downs as any trader. By staying accountable, sharing insights, and reflecting on the process, I hope to help you navigate the challenges and emotional toll of your own trading journey. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button. It's a low risk, high reward move that helps other traders find this video. Plus, it lets me know that these videos are resonating with you. While you're at it, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a recap. Now let's jump into how the market played out today. Happy Tuesday, everyone. I hope you guys had a good 3-day weekend. What a crazy start to the week and markets today. Keep in mind that I only deal with ES futures on the TopStep X platform, so all of the price action and trades I mentioned will be based on that market. But what an emotional day today. I left a lot of gains on the table, as you'll see later in my only trade of the day, but I'm happy to report that I followed my plan today. So I never took a trade at New York Open, but I wanted to highlight this because it was a textbook example of why having a plan is so important and not fall into FOMO. So my plan was to enter on the top of the fair value gap, and if I'm in the trade, I would move my stop break even on the white line. If the price moves without me, I would cancel my order when the price hits the white line. Let's see what happens. As you can see, the price comes very close to my entry and moves away rapidly. Now, if your general thesis on direction was a reversal here, would you have just market sold on that big red candle? Obviously, hindsight is 2020, but plans like this help you manage risk. You might miss out on gains from time to time, but plans like this help you stay in the game. I saved myself from potentially losing out on 2 trades here, trying to figure out which direction the price was going to go. I think this was a great example of not improvising on the fly or FOMOing into trades. 2 habits that I mentioned in my newest video. You guys should check that out. I'll leave the link in the description. Okay, now let's go over my single trade I took today and how much it affected me emotionally. So what was the plan? The plan was for reversal here because we've been ripping up all day and I saw markers for exhaustion. I would be entering on this fair value gap right here and then move the stop to break even when the price hits the white line. Look how messy the price action was. My bias was generally correct, but it was ranging a lot, coming back up close to my entry multiple times. How would you have reacted to this price movement? Would you have closed the trade early and take some gains? Leave in the comments below. As you can see, it got really close to my target before reversing. The trade moved far enough from my entry that I got out at break even. You could see this trade and say, why didn't you close early and lock in some of the gains? Obviously, I would have loved to go home at the end of the day with any amount of money than no money. But I think once you start giving yourself permission to make decisions on the fly or in a trade, that's where tilt happens. My plan to go break even here was crafted from months of data showing me that I come out ahead in the long run if I let the trades play out. Because I've seen enough instances where price would come close to my entry and then eventually hit my target, like what happened to me last Friday. If you missed my last Friday's recap, you would remember that I did close out my trade manually when I got close to my target. But that was after days of losing, and mentally I just wanted to feel better before the week ended. I'm not justifying that move, but just to show that there's always a human element to trading if it's not a bot doing it. Now that I'm refreshed after the 3-day weekend, I feel like I could withstand the psychological hits like this. But at the end of the day, it does feel bad that I've left some money on the table. But I like to think that I've gained more than I lost if I didn't lose any money. I followed my plan, I didn't improvise, just another trading day in the books. And I'm excited to see what the market brings tomorrow. Now, how did your day go for today? Leave in the comments below. Again, don't forget to watch my newest video going over 5 toxic habits you should quit today as a day trader. If you found value in this recap, be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. See you tomorrow. Red signing out.